Okay, welcome back, and today I'll show you guys how you can restore your contacts from your Gmail to your iPhone. How you can restore contacts saved on Gmail to your iPhone. Okay, if you want to do that, the first thing is to go to your Gmail account. Just go to your Gmail. Okay, right over here on your Gmail account, what you have to do is make sure you have signed in the email you want to restore the contact from. The email where your contact are saved, sign it in, then click on your icon. Now click on manage your Google account. Okay, click here. Now right over here, scroll to people and sharing. All right, then here you can see your contacts. I have 168 contacts saved on my Gmail. Okay, just click on that to restore the contacts. Okay, now as you can see, here are the list of contacts that are saved on my Gmail. You can see here 168 contacts. Okay, here are all of the contacts. Okay, here are all of the contacts. So what I want to do now, I want to restore these contacts. I want to export them to my iCloud account, to my phone, so they can be accessible on my phone. So what I have to do is to click on here, export. Click on here to export the contact. Now export the contact as vcard, so it can be accessible on your iPhone. Okay, Gmail, Google CSV can also work, but export as vcard, so it can be accessible on your iPhone. Then after that, just simply click on export. All right, click on export and you are good to go. That's just it. All right, so if this didn't work for you, I still have more videos about that. Just check the next video now.